Hi, I'm Rob, and I'm here to tell you about this great innovative product from BrownMed, the Intellinetix Vibrating Knee and Elbow Wrap. If you're suffering from knee or elbow pain, whether it's from a recent surgery, osteoarthritis, patella tendinitis, joint discomfort, or from overdoing it at the gym or running, the Intellinetix Vibrating Knee and Elbow Wrap may provide the relief you seek. The wrap provides mild compression to enhance blood circulation, but it's truly unique because it uses small vibrating sensors, which can aid in pain relief and may help to improve flexibility in the afflicted area. In fact, a recent clinical study showed that vibration therapy has been shown to decrease pain, improve range of motion, and improve quality of life in patients with osteoarthritis when used as part of a comprehensive recovery program. What's more, vibration therapy has been used for years in clinical and massage therapy settings to increase bone strength and promote bone and muscle health. This simple and easy-to-use vibrating knee and elbow wrap can help you bring the same type of technology into your own home. To provide the maximal duration of pain relief, vibration therapy should be applied for 25 to 45 minutes. However, you can turn the vibration on or off at your leisure and comfort with the simple push of a button. The wrap is made from a soft cotton material, so it allows your skin to breathe, and the vibrating sensors are contained on a removable pad, making the wrap easy to wash. The adjustable hook and loop feature makes it easily adaptable for knees or elbows of any size. So whether it's knee or elbow pain, the Intellinetix Vibrating Knee and Elbow Wrap can help. Contact BrownMed today to find out more.